Hi there, welcome to our channel where your well-being is our top priority. Today's topic hits close to home for millions of people dealing with acid reflux. And guess what? Nature has a solution that might change your life forever. Let's dive in. Acid reflux. That unwelcome visitor that sneaks up your throat and sets up camp in your chest. For many, it's a daily struggle. You eat, you feel the burn. You take antacids and wonder, is this all there is? Well, not quite. We're here to introduce you to a natural remedy that has been around for ages and has shown some incredible results. No, it's not fancy pills or complicated procedures. It's something much simpler: cabbage juice. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to overlook the power of nature. But here's the thing: Mother Nature has a way of providing solutions that are both effective and accessible, and cabbage juice is no exception. Let us unravel the mystery behind this humble liquid and explore how it has been changing lives for the better. Now you might be thinking, cabbage juice? Really? How could something so simple tackle a problem that seems so complex? Let's start with the basics. What's in this green stuff that makes it such a powerhouse? First up, we have a compound known as S-methylmethane, or SAM for short. This guy is the star of the show when it comes to healing the gut lining. Think of your gut as a protective barrier between your body and the outside world. It's essential for good health. And when it's damaged, bad things can happen. SAM steps in to repair the damage, making it stronger and more resilient. Plus, it's got anti-inflammatory properties that soothe and calm things down when your gut is feeling fired up. But SAM is not a lone ranger. It's got plenty of buddies in the cabbage juice squad. Vitamin C, a well-known antioxidant, joins the party, lending its hand in tissue repair and boosting overall health. Vitamin K is also there, playing a crucial role in the clotting process and ensuring your body heals properly. And let's not forget about glutamine, a type of amino acid that serves as fuel for your gut cells, keeping them happy and healthy. Together, this crew forms a dynamic team dedicated to gut health and overall well-being. Now you might be curious, why choose cabbage? After all, there are plenty of veggies out there. While cabbage stands out for several reasons. For starters, it's packed with these beneficial compounds in just the right amounts. It's like nature's carefully crafted formula for gut healing. Additionally, cabbage is a cruciferous vegetable, a group known for its health benefits. These veggies contain special compounds that help detoxify harmful substances, ensuring your body stays clean and healthy. And let's not forget about its affordability and accessibility. Cabbage is usually readily available and cost-effective, making it an ideal choice for those seeking natural remedies. In fact, this humble vegetable has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for various health issues, including digestive problems. The ancient Egyptians, Greeks, and Chinese all recognized its healing potential. So how do you incorporate cabbage juice into your routine? It's easier than you think. Just grab half a head of fresh organic cabbage, wash it thoroughly, chop it up, and blend it with water. If the taste isn't your cup of tea, add a cucumber or apple for a smoother flavor. Make sure to strain the mixture to remove any solid particles and drink up. It's that simple. You'll want to start with half a cup once a day, preferably on an empty stomach. This gives your body a chance to absorb the nutrients before you eat. But remember, consistency is key. For optimal results, try it for at least 7 to 10 days. Imagine waking up each morning feeling lighter, more energized, and ready to take on the day without the weight of acid reflux holding you back. That's the power of cabbage juice. While cabbage juice is generally safe for most people, it's important to keep a few things in mind. If you have a pre-existing medical condition or are taking medication, it's always wise to consult your healthcare provider first. They can guide you on the right amount and frequency based on your individual needs. Additionally, individuals with thyroid issues should be cautious, as excessive raw cabbage consumption might interfere with iodine absorption. Remember, balance is essential. So now, let's address the elephant in the room. Does science back up these claims? Absolutely. Studies have shown that cabbage juice is rich in SAM, the compound we mentioned earlier, which plays a significant role in repairing damaged tissues. In one study published in the Journal of Clinical Biochemistry and Nutrition, participants who consumed cabbage juice showed improved symptoms of gastritis, a condition that often accompanies acid reflux. Another study in the Journal of Medicinal Food reported that cabbage extract reduced inflammation in the digestive tract, offering relief from gut-related discomfort. These findings align with traditional uses, demonstrating the scientific validity of cabbage juice for digestive health. But don't just take our word for it. Let's hear from those who have benefited from this natural remedy. Sarah, a 32-year-old professional, was struggling with frequent acid reflux. Despite trying over-the-counter antacids, her symptoms persisted. That's when she discovered cabbage juice. After incorporating it into her daily routine, she noticed a significant improvement in her condition. The burning in her chest subsided, allowing her to enjoy meals without discomfort. John, a 58-year-old retiree, had been dealing with acid reflux for years. He was hesitant to try cabbage juice, but desperate for relief, he gave it a shot. To his surprise, it worked wonders for him. Not only did the acid reflux vanish, but he also experienced a boost in energy and overall well-being. These testimonials are just the tip of the iceberg. Countless individuals have transformed their health by harnessing the power of cabbage juice. Here's the deal. Cabbage juice might not be the flashiest remedy out there, but it sure is effective. While it's not intended to replace medical treatments, it offers a natural approach that complements conventional care. It's like having a personal assistant for your gut, working behind the scenes to keep things running smoothly. Imagine a life where you're not constantly battling acid reflux, where meals are enjoyable, sleep is peaceful, and your body feels balanced and strong. It's possible thanks to the humble cabbage juice. Think about it. For generations, this unassuming liquid has been a part of traditional medicine, whispered down through the ages as a secret weapon against digestive woes. And now you have access to this ancient wisdom, too. By choosing cabbage juice, you're tapping into a legacy of healing, a time-tested tradition that has brought relief to countless individuals. Plus, it's not just about treating the symptoms. Cabbage juice gets to the root of the problem, supporting your body's natural defense mechanisms. It's like giving your gut a shield, protecting it from the challenges of daily living. In a world where health issues seem to multiply, cabbage juice stands tall as a beacon of hope. It reminds us of nature's simplicity, showing us that sometimes the most effective solutions are hidden in plain sight. And let's not forget about convenience. Cabbage juice is your on-the-go health buddy. No need for fancy equipment or complicated routines. Just a glass of this green goodness and you're set. It fits seamlessly into your lifestyle, becoming a part of your daily routine without disrupting your flow. As you take that first sip of cabbage juice, imagine the cool, refreshing liquid cascading down your throat, bringing with it a sense of calm and renewal. With each drop, you're nourishing your body, providing it with the vitamins and minerals it craves. It's a moment of self-care, a connection between you and your body that goes beyond the ordinary. So are you ready to join the cabbage juice revolution? To take charge of your health? To reclaim your comfort and well-being? Start your journey today. Drink up, relax, and watch as nature's gentle touch transforms your body and brings a smile to your face. Remember, you deserve it. Your body deserves it. It's time to give cabbage juice a try and experience the difference. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from this natural remedy. Together, we can spread the word about the power of cabbage juice and help others on their path to better health. Also, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. We've got lots of valuable content coming your way. Thanks for watching, stay healthy, and keep sipping on that cabbage juice.